Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, I've got another video today, and it'll be something to do with my Crazy Dog canvas rooftop tent that I got. I've got a wall kit off Jason. He sent it out to me. He didn't have it quite made when we were at the factory when we installed it, but he's come back off holidays. First job he did, got my wall kit going. He's been ringing me every couple of weeks saying, have you tested it out yet? Have you tested it out yet? I haven't had a chance. Just weather and things like that, but we've got away for the weekend. I've got it on the ground here. It does come in this great bag that he made for us. It's one of those out of that material that's got all the perforations in it, really strong, so it doesn't matter if it's got a little bit of moisture in it if you pack it up. But you can also, he did tell me that you can fold these out and store them inside the rooftop tent. There is enough room up there if you want to lay it up there, but I've got plenty of room in my camper to throw that in the top of there. I actually had it sitting up inside of there, and just had it sitting in the corner there. There's plenty of room, so no issue for me to leave it in that bag. But I'll get that intro out of the way while that's playing. Don't forget to hit that like or the subscribe button while it's going, and when we come back we'll get into it, eh? Cheers guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we've got it all set up. We've got the wall kit set up. I'll tell you what, you would have seen that footage I just put up there a second ago with us with the time lapse there. It didn't take long at all. I think it was about 10 minutes. Remember, it's the first time we've put it up, so probably took us a little bit longer than what it normally would. Once you put it up a few times, you'll have some idea of the quickest way to get them all set up. But it is really easy. It's really user friendly. It just all folds in on itself. And as long as you can line the back wall up, just put that along the edge of the trailer and put the little press studs in. I'll go in and show you how we did it from the inside because you couldn't see that, but let's go in there now. We'll just do a quick walk around on the outside here first though, and just show you. So like I said in my original video with the rooftop tent, there was a few reasons why we changed over, but it was mainly just for in the future we just wanted something a little bit bigger, a little bit more room inside, and something to give us a little bit more ease when camping. And I'll tell you what, we're really glad we went with a Crazy Dog canvas rooftop tent. It's really well built. Like Jason has said on many of his videos, they are tent builders. That's all he's done all his life. He knows tents. He's been building them all his life, and you can really see how it shows through in his manufacturing. He just thinks of all the little stuff that you don't normally think of. I was just looking at it here now. Look at this, like he's put a little hood here over the doorway here that you fold up. So it's got the little zip up doorway, then you've got your fly screen, that's on both sides. But you've got this little flap over the top here, which just gives you some water runoff over the top there, so the water doesn't run into the door there if it's running down. Like all the little binding around the edges, just looks really professional. Down on the corner here, you can see this little part showing out here. I'll take you in there in a minute and show you what that's all about. Then down the front here, you can see we've got another wall that folds up and gives you this great big fly screen here. Now that doesn't zip up that one there. Your two doors are on either side, but you've got great ventilation that can come through here, and you can put that down if it's raining or whatever. Again, it's got the little flap up there over the top. Now on the rooftop tent you have got the tie downs there if you're not using the wall kit, so you can tie down the roof just to stop that from blowing around. But with all the little clips he's got around the feet here, you can see here they're all around the edge there to tie them down. We'll go around the other side here and have a look around here. So ground's a little bit uneven here, so this rooftop tent is sort of sitting a little bit skew-off. It's nothing to do with the actual design, it's just the way the trailer's sitting. But you can see here we've got another beautiful mesh screen here, and you can see inside there all the room we've got in there. We'll go in there now. We'll just go back around the other side because I've got that door unzipped. If you're really interested in purchasing one of these when you buy your rooftop tent, just talk to Jason about it, and he'll let you know all the options and things like that. But have a look in here. How much room is there in here? One of the things I was really excited when I put it up, I said to Annie, when we were doing our big Central Australian tour, we pulled up at a few places out there and the flies were absolutely horrendous. And we just thought, there's so much room in here. You could actually put another bed down here if you wanted to, or you could put a table and chairs in here if you had a million flies outside, and sit in here and have your tea at night, so you didn't have to worry about getting attacked, because it is all sealed off. There's not a lot of gaps here I can see anywhere really where anything can get in, so you're pretty safe with all that. I'll just show you down in the corners here where I was talking about those little flap things. We'll go over to the one over this side here. And you can see there that you've got this little zip up flap here that zips all the way around there, and it's got the hood on the outside there. So if it is raining and you want to sort of keep the condensation down and all that sort of thing, you can have these open and it lets the air come through. And also, like, it's really hot here today. It's like 29 degrees and this is facing the western sun out there, and it's really cool in here. Having the fly screen on here is really good. One fly in here because I left the door open. I'll have to get him out. But you can either have that down, or there is actually some eyelets in that I noticed. You could peg that out, put some ropes down and have it like a little screen out the side there as well. The other bit of thing I noticed on this back wall here, so you got a full vinyl floor here, I should talk about that. So it's fully sewn in. This is all one unit, so you don't have to pull it apart. You don't have to try and guess which wall goes where. All you do is fold all this down within itself. It all rolls up in a big ball. You've seen it in that bag when I first started. But the back wall, if you line that up, put your press studs up first, clip all those on, line up your Velcro like I said so you can do the zip up, and Bob's your uncle. It doesn't take long at all. The more we do it, the better off we'll be. We'll just show you this back wall here. So you got a zip here that you can undo and lift this up. That rolls up and you got full access to anything in your cupboard there. So if you're in here getting changed and you've got clothes or something in there, you can have that folded up, and it's got some little tabs here to Velcro it up. So that's a great idea. And also down the bottom here as well, you've got a little zip part there with a bit of mesh in there. Lets the air circulate in through the bottom there as well. So if you've got a breeze coming through underneath your trailer, you've got a nice breeze coming through there. How great is this though? Like, just so much room inside here now with our big windows in there with a big mesh. It's so much more space than what we had in our other camper trailer. Not that there was anything wrong with that. The old rooftop tent, all the canvas work was actually sewn by Jason from Crazy Dog Canvas, so we knew his work, we knew what his quality was like with the old rooftop tent. So you know you're getting Aussie canvas, you know you're getting Aussie made. Everything on this was built in Australia. The only things that might be made overseas might be the ladder and stuff like that, which is stuff you can't get built in Australia, and some of the clips and things like that. But all the canvas, all the rooftop tent, all this, all Aussie made, all made in Queensland. So you know you're getting quality, you know you're getting after sale service. So no, thanks very much Jason and all the team up there, really impressed. I hope you've enjoyed. If you've got any questions, queries or comments, leave them down below. I'm sure Jason will see it, and he might be able to answer it for you as well. But yeah, thanks very much. Stay safe, look after each other, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys.